Bollywood Spy, and today we have with us Omi Vaidya. Omi Vaidya, welcome to Bollywood Spy.
Thank you so much. It's very wonderful to be here.
जी
Virtual, of course.
जी मेट्रो पार्क सीजन 2 दोबारा आ गया है एक बहुत ही क्रेजी सी स्टोरी लाइन लेकर एंड यू आर अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ इट टेल मी हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस
It was very nice. Unlike the first season, if nobody's watched it, Metro Park is about a show about Indians living in America, trying to be Indian, but also trying to be American and living in a little India. So that's very funny. And if you've seen a show called Modern Family, it's like that, but with Indians. And we shot the first one in 2016, and Eros, it was a big hit. And then now we're doing the second season. We shot during coronavirus in October, and it was a little scary, but we followed all the rules. We all stayed together, like a camp, and it was very fun, because we all became a family. So that was very nice.
Omi, we would like to know what is your character and how are we going to see you.
How are we going to see me? Well, my character in Metro Park is Kanan Menon, and he's a South Indian, and he marries a Gujarati. Who, when you marry a Gujarati person, you also marry the Gujarati person's family, and
Yes.
that causes some issues, because he's very modern. He tries to be modern, and he tries to do all the cool new trends. And the Gujarati family is like, what does this guy want? Who is this guy? And he has to deal with that. So that comes off as a very funny thing, and he just sort of doesn't belong, and tries to belong, and fails. So there's a lot of comedy that comes into that. These family dynamics, although we're in America, they're very similar to how people live in India. So that's why the show has connected so well with Desis.
Yes. Omi, we would like to know from you that we see a very major population. They often travel from India to other countries to either survive or either job purpose. How do you think is difficult to stay connected with Indian culture and families?
So what happens is, when you move to a new country, at least back in the day, there wasn't TV, there wasn't the Indian channels. All you had was what you knew. So my parents, they brought their Indian culture and their traditions, and they just stayed that way. And so if my wife's family, they had certain religious traditions, and they're a little conservative. They stayed that way. And then if you're within that population of other Gujaratis or other Indians who are similar, you hang out with them, and you all stay that way. But what happens in India is India modernizes, and it becomes different, and the values become a little different. But in this little pocket, it stays the same. So then, when you think you're very Indian, maybe, and you have all these things, and you go to India, and you're like, this is very different than what I was taught. And so you are Indian, but the Indian you are is actually sort of a time capsule of what India was, and then you come to India, and it's very different. So we still try to retain our Indian roots through gatherings of the different cultures, whether it's Gujarati or Marathi or whatever, Punjabi. We also do of course, rituals and religious rituals, and then we also have holidays. We celebrate all. But now with television and with globalization, these cultures are sort of, we have a stronger connection with
Yes.
India, and we can really, they're doing cool stuff in India, why can't I do that here? So like those sorts of arguments with our parents are not as they're more they work more. So I think
Yes.
that's what that's how we stay connected now.
Yes. Omi, we would like to know ki how connected you found this character and what new are we going to find in you
Oh
from this
yes.
season.
So I connected very much. Amari Patni Gujarati che, or like just like the character, and I had to have a very extended family now, that is all Gujarati. I understand a lot of what the Gujarati language now. I eat a lot of the foods, and sometimes I also get frustrated with that side of my family, and that is very similar to how Kanan Menon is. Also, he's a father, a new father, and in America and in India, there's a sort of stress that comes with being a new father or a new parent, where you have to you want, oh, my son, my daughter have to get in the best schools, and they have to get in front of everybody. So like that game, that chase is part of the game. So I also do that in real life, even though I don't want to put that pressure on my kid. It happens, because we compare to other people. So that was very, very relatable. And then in terms of other projects, I'm doing lots of I'm in talks for a lot of different projects in India as well as here. And I'm also developing some of my own projects. I'm hoping to make a Marathi film because I'm Maharashtrian.
Oh,
Yeah. So
we
I've
would
really,
love to see that as well. You speaking Marathi would be a very next level experience for us
I
as
know
well.
it would be very fun, right? It sounds
Yes.
exciting. I haven't even told you the story, but you want to watch, right? So that is what we're working on. We're just trying to make a really fabulous story that fits sort of whatever this is, and then we want to make people have fun. It's a very difficult time now, as everyone knows,
Yes.
and
Yes.
the moments we have to take enjoyment from the little moments in life. The coffee
Yes.
or the family, because we cannot go traveling, we cannot do all these things that we used to do, and we always think back to those things. We relate everything to what has happened and what could happen, instead of staying in the moment. So I just suggest to everybody, try to enjoy the little bit that happening right now in front of us. Me talking to you, Roshni, this is our moment right now. This is our connection, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm really glad to be able to talk to you.
Oh, so am I. It is lovely having a conversation with you. I would like you to tell our viewers where we can see Metro Park season 2 and when is it coming on air.
Okay, well, Metro Park season 2 is dropping on air on Friday, and you can just get the app, Eros app, and watch. If you want a taste of it, you can just look at YouTube and watch Eros now and watch the first episode. And it's only 49 rupees per month, Eros on
Yes.
Eros. That's a bold swasta, so I think compared to the other streaming, it's quite a value. Plus it's the only place you get to see this right now.
Of
and
course.
and there's very little coming out in terms of good comedy that deals with family stuff, and this is a family show. There's a lot of this, you know dating
Yes.
and all this stuff going out, but this is something that you can watch with your whole family and your 8-year-old child, all the way to your nana, or whatever, your azoba, whatever you call those people, can watch this and laugh and enjoy it. So I think that's really, really something rare nowadays, because everything
Yes.
targeted to certain demographics. So,
Yes.
yeah, we just wanted to make something that's fun for the whole family, and I think this is something that's that.
Yes. And I'm pretty much sure that our viewers will obviously love Metro Park season 2, and it would be lovely for all of us to see a family pack such a brilliant, what do I say, series, and to you as well. Thank you for joining with us on Bollywood Spy. I would like my viewers to कि वो हमें comment section में जरूर बताएं कि देखने के बाद उन्हें ये कैसी लगी Metro Park season 2. Thank you for
Thank,
your time, Mommy.
thank you guys. Thank you so much. See you soon.
So have I. Hey, thank you. Bye.